Your project team may need to take off on certain days, like the regular weekend, Saturdays and Sundays, or some holidays. If you already know these off days, it would be nice if you can enter those off days into your working schedule now, before any tasks been scheduled into this project. To do that, you can go to the project menu and change working time. This window shows your current working schedule. You can see that all the Saturdays and Sundays are already shown as non-working days. Other than that, if there are specific days you want to take off, you can choose the date. For example, May 25th in 2015. We're going to take that day off as Memorial Day. So select that date and come down to the table here. Give it a name, why we're taking off that day. When you use your Enter key on your keyboard, we set May 25th as the off days. The off days start on May 25th and it's end on the same day. That means one day off. If you want to extend it to 2 or more days, you can change the finish date to the following dates. For some of the off days, you may want it recurring every week, every month, or every year. You can go click on the detail button. You can set the certain off days using this recurrent pattern to do it daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. But be careful with this option. If you are pretty sure that certain off days or off hours are happened every week, every month, you can go ahead and do that. For example, your project will take off every Fridays. You can do weekly and check Fridays. If you want to take one day off every month, like the 15th days of every month, you can set it as an off day. But if you're doing some holidays, you should know that those holidays may not fall in the same days every year. For example, the Memorial Day will be the fourth Monday of each year. In 2015, it's fall in May 25th. However, in 2016, it will be 23rd of May. So if you make May 25th as the yearly off days, then its May goes to Wednesday next year. So my suggestion is for those holidays that fall in certain day of the week, do not use this recurrency pattern. Other than that, if you need to adjust the working hours every day, you can go to options. The current calendar options show week start on Sunday and the fiscal year start in January. If something and the default starting date of a day is 8 o'clock in the morning and ending time is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, if your project schedule are different, like you start your project every morning at 9 o'clock and finish it at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, you can change it here. Also, how many hours count as a day, how many hours count as a week, and how many days count as a month. If you use different numbers in your project than whatever listed here, feel free to change them. If you know that your project goes more than 1 year, then when you set up the holidays, the Saturdays and off days, make sure that you include them in not only the current year, but also the following years. When you're done, click OK to take the new working schedule.